Hello everyone, and in this video I show you to get a credit card on Bank of America. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, type bankofamerica.com into the search bar to directly access the Bank of America website. Upon reaching the homepage, locate and click on the credit cards option. A variety of credit card choices will be presented. Choose the one that aligns with your preferences and click on Apply Now. If you are already an online customer with Bank of America, opt for the Sign In and Save Time option. Otherwise, proceed to fill out the application form. Provide your first name, last name, suffix, residential address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. Indicate your US citizenship status, whether you hold dual citizenship, and specify your country of residence. Additionally, enter your date of birth, employment status, total annual income, primary source of income, and monthly housing payment. If you wish to transfer a balance to your new credit card or add a cardholder, check the respective box. Take a moment to thoroughly review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click the appropriate box and then select Save and Continue. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.